Okay, so we're going to do a quick comparison video here. We're going to hear the B series that we all know and love. And after that, we're going to take a listen to the Copelaweld and hear the similarities / differences. They're both very similar looking compressors as well, and not the same. If you look, there's differences. They're very similar looking and very similar sounding. So that being said, start with our beloved B series. So we're going to keep it real quick. I'm actually going to grab this fan here because I don't want... I'll be quick about it. Okay, now we're going to take a listen to the Copelaweld or Copelaweld, however you would like to pronounce it. I could care less either way. Dead giveaway for me is the design on top of the compressor, the little cross they have on here. So that being said, I'm going to turn this little dial here. That's a fan trying to turn, which obviously it ain't going to because the... yeah, it's bent. But again, the springs on it are gone. It's not even, it's just sitting on there. So obviously it's not the best prime example, but it's the only example I got that's what I have to do. Look at that vibration. It has a vibration in the kicker beast, I'll tell you that much. And this evaporator is freezing. Like really cold. Just for shits and giggles. Oh my god. That thing without a doubt has its full charge. I don't want to damage anything, so. There's your side-by-side comparison of the Tecumseh B series and the Copelaweld / Copelaweld U series. And that's also, I should mention, that's actually made by Copeland. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Peace.